Picture this, you're strolling down a bustling NYC street, and suddenly you see high-end tech iPhones, AirPods, even Apple Watches being hawked at prices that make your wallet do a double take. But here's the twist, these vendors pack up faster than a cop can spot them. I couldn't resist the temptation, so I bought some of this gear and brought it back to test whether it was too good to be true, or just too good to be real. At first glance, these AirPods Pro look suspiciously authentic. Apple's branding, the familiar design, even that telltale plastic wrap, but something feels off. The graphics are blurry, the colors are slightly wrong, and when I peel it back, there's no doubt. I pull the plastic wrap from this AirPods Pro box, and at first glance it looks almost identical to Apple's packaging, right down to the crinkling sound. But there's something off in the printing, a slight blur in the graphics that shouldn't be there, and these tabs, they're not Apple's. Still, when I open it, the case inside is eerily convincing, even the cable feels right. It's like someone took a real product and gave it a facelift. These AirPods Pro look almost identical to Apple's real deal, right down to the packaging and branding, but when I peel it back there's a subtle flaw in the printing that gives them away. Yet the serial number is present too, but I can't shake the feeling that something's been tampered with, or perhaps just fabricated entirely. Imagine walking down a bustling NYC street, spotting a deal on brand new Apple tech for a fraction of the retail price. But here's the catch, these vendors vanish when cops approach. And the products? Well, let's just say they look legit but feel off. I decided to test them myself. Here's what happened. So is this a gamble worth taking? Sure, they work. Better than I expected. But that doesn't erase the ethical,